Everyone, this is Jenny. Today I went to my sister's house and she gave me this black garlic. So I asked her how to make it, and she was telling me that you can use the rice cooker to prep it. So I already had it prepped up nicely and tight, and I put a paper towel to kind of like take out the moist, and then put another layer of foil to make sure that it's nicely sealed, as you can see here. And then you take the cover and you cover it up and put it on a slow cook. Put on slow cook. Keep warm for 14 days, and then after 14 days, this is how it will look. So there it is. That's how you make black garlic, and it's very nutrition. There's a lot of benefit from it. You can Google it and to see all the benefit, and it's been studied. So if you like this video, press subscribe below. Thank you.